Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a Chinese display name on Roblox. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, there are some things that we want to make sure of. First, you want to open up your web browser, go to roblox.com and then log into your account, and then you're gonna find yourself in the homepage just like that. Now, from here, you want to come to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen and give it a click. And then you want to click onto the settings option from the drop-down menu, just like that. It's going to take you to your account settings. Now, from here, you want to make sure that you have an adult account and not a kid's account. Otherwise, you won't be able to change your display name. And also, you might need to change your account location to something like the US or the UK or something else. Like in my case, Algeria works just fine. Now, to change your display name into a Chinese one, you're going to have to open up a new tab and then click onto the search box and type in Google Translate just like that and press enter. So you can use Google Translate just from here. You want to come here and choose the language that you want to translate from and the one that you want to translate into. In my case, I'm going to let it set to English. And now to the box on the right hand side, I'm going to give it a click and then look for Chinese. As you can see, we have Chinese simplified and Chinese traditional. So I'm going to choose traditional. And then you want to enter the display name that you want to have in English. And here you can see that I have it translated here into Chinese in the box on the right hand side. And what you're actually going to have to do is highlight the Chinese display name and then right click and then select copy, just like that. And then you want to go back to your Roblox account settings page. Now, next to the display name, you're going to see this pencil icon. So go ahead and give it a click, and it's going to open up this pop-up window. Here you want to paste in your Chinese display name, and finally click onto the save button underneath. And just like that, you're going to receive a notification on the top of the screen telling you that you have successfully changed your display name. So that's it. That is how to get a Chinese display name on Roblox. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.